Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting now. Log into Twitter and confirm you can access the account. Once logged in, make sure two-factor is available in case you need to re-authenticate later. This protects the session while you edit follows. If you'll use a follower management tool, install or open it now and sign in with OAuth. This avoids typing credentials repeatedly. Make sure Twitter's web or mobile app remains open so you can cross-check profiles instantly and avoid accidental unfollows. Now identify inactive accounts. Sort follows by last activity or use filters for accounts inactive 3+ months or with no recent posts. Once filtered, scan bios and tweet timestamps to confirm dormancy. Look for automated or abandoned accounts. As you review, mark profiles to unfollow by adding them to a temporary list or tagging them in your management tool. This keeps changes deliberate and reversible for a short time. Make sure to cross-check any account. Finish by unfollowing in small batches to avoid rate limits and mistakes. Open each marked profile, hit unfollow, and confirm. Once done, recheck your followed list to ensure you didn't remove someone important. If Twitter blocks actions or shows rate limits, pause for 15 to 60 minutes and retry, clear app cache, or re-authenticate if the issue persists. Finally, remove temporary list markers and review your timeline for the expected declutter. This validates the cleanup and restores normal feed behavior.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.